Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel, T Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulosity channel. If you're new, you're so welcome, and if you're a regular person here, you are most welcome. Alright guys, please, if you haven't subscribed yet, check below, click on the subscribe button and like this video. Click on the notification bell so that you will be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. And also comment, share your thoughts, try what I'm going to show you on this video and tell me how it worked for you on the comment section. Alright guys, I promised you that this channel was gonna be on all round fabulosity, beyond the face masks, beyond the skin, beyond the glowing hair, beyond all of that. There are so many aspects of beauty, and I am sure keeping to that promise. So if you are new here, you might want to consider subscribing. So guys, today we are going to talk about how to cure bad breath naturally. You don't want to go somewhere looking all fabulous only for you to open your mouth and everybody's like, oh my god, what's going on? So I don't want that for you, and I believe you don't want that for yourself either. So please, if you are curious and you want to know what I'm going to be using for this video, please watch this video to the very end. So guys, my first ingredient today is mint leaf. I'm just going to be plugging off the leaf and chop it into tiny little pieces. Mint leaf helps in fighting bacteria in your mouth that causes bad breath. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and boil it for a couple of minutes. I'll further proceed by sieving the water. So the mint water will be 1 cup, and then you squeeze lemon into the water. Lemon is very good for curing bad breath because the acidic content in lemons prevents growth of bacteria in your mouth. Guys, I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda makes an excellent remedy for bad breath as it cleans the teeth by changing the pH balance in your mouth. This discourages growth of bacteria that causes bad breath. So here is my mixture. If you want it to be more than this quantity, you can double the ingredients and make it more than this quantity and store it in your refrigerator. Alright guys, so let me use this spoon since I'm going to preserve them. So guys, you're gonna allow it to stay in your mouth for like 5 minutes so you can kill those unwanted bacteria that have been causing bad breath. Alright guys, as simple as that was, it will eliminate bad breath from your mouth, from your throat down to your mouth. So you can do this, you can use this as your regular mouth wash, and keep doing this till you get the desired result. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope this video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing, click on the like button, comment and share your thoughts. So see you on my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.